Monkey business, understanding the phrase in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English phrases, and our focus is on the expression, monkey business. This phrase is not only intriguing but also quite common in everyday English. So, let's explore what it means and how you can use it effectively. Monkey business refers to silly, mischievous, or deceitful behavior. It's often used to describe actions that are not serious or slightly dishonest. The phrase conjures images of monkeys playing and causing trouble, which is a fitting metaphor for this kind of behavior. It's important to note that monkey business usually implies a harmless or light-hearted nature of mischief. The origin of monkey business is not entirely clear, but it's believed to have emerged in the late 19th or early 20th century. It reflects the playful and sometimes unpredictable nature of monkeys, which have long been a symbol of mischief in various cultures. The phrase gained popularity in American English and has been widely used ever since. To better understand monkey business, let's look at some examples. In the workplace, the boss warned the employees to stop the monkey business and get back to work. Among friends, we had a lot of monkey business at the party last night, playing pranks on each other. In literature and media, you might encounter characters described as engaging in monkey business, usually in a humorous or light-hearted context. When using monkey business, it's important to ensure that the context is informal and non-serious. It's perfect for casual conversations or to add a touch of humor. However, it's not suitable for formal or serious discussions. So, that's all about monkey business. We hope this video has been informative and enjoyable. Understanding such phrases not only enhances your English vocabulary but also helps you grasp the cultural nuances of the language. Stay tuned for more exciting explorations into English phrases. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.